On August 21st, 2024, four suspects attempted to rob a Brinks armored truck at a Huntington Bank ATM in Cleveland. The robbery failed, but it wasn't their first time. Police later linked them to a similar armored truck robbery weeks earlier, where they got away.
Which way did that car go? The guy with the gun? What was he wearing?
He had on light jeans, white tennis shoes.
What do you mean, light blue jeans?
Yeah, light blue jeans.
White kind of tennis shoes?
Yeah, white tennis shoes. This part was white, and then this part was sky blue. That's the only one I had seen.
On the right side?
No, this whole bottom part.
When he took off running, what did you pick him up at?
He was laying on the ground. I had turned weird, like behind the truck. Look, that's how I whipped out the camera.
Your truck hit? Spoke the radio. The other employee saying the gentleman that shot his friend was wearing light blue jeans, white tennis shoes, and he had I believe it's a black shirt with white at the top on the right side and then light blue on the right bottom by his stomach. It was a black sweatshirt?
Black sweatshirt?
Yeah, he said the shooter.
I don't know.
What shirt? What the shooter? What kind of shirt was he wearing?
He had on the jacket. It was
jacket. Okay. What color was the jacket?
It was, this top part was white. This bottom part was like a sky blue with light jeans.
No black
shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of it. I'm pretty sure this might have had on black. Yeah.
No, the guy who shot your friend.
It was multiple ones.
Give me a second. Huh? So,
one of them probably did have on all black.
The guy who actually shot, the guy who did the shooting, you were describing him. You said he had light blue, he had red, white here and blue.
No,
what was the rest of the shirt?
No, it was a jacket.
Okay, what was the rest of the jacket?
It was white up top and it was sky blue at the bottom.
Okay. He's saying the shooter had a jacket on, that was white up top and light blue on the bottom. He said the other, one of the other gentlemen had all black on. What's going on? You guys got someone? Where?
Brinks truck came to empty out the ATM. Somebody shot the.
Well, where are they at?
Okay, we don't know.
Brinks truck took off.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, we're looking for Brinks truck guy shot.
He got back.
Yeah, they're saying a Brinks truck employee is shot. We're speaking to Engine 30. The people at Oak Street Health Cell. We're gonna go look for him. Which way did it go?
Right here, eastbound.
Yeah.
It's a 2022, 2023 black Dodge Durango, no license plate, with 10 on the window.
Shortly after, police spotted the Durango, which ended in a crash, leaving the suspects with only one option: to run on foot.
There it is.
And I got it.
We got it at 169 in Ozark, going north on 169 towards Lakeshore. Eastbound on Lakeshore. Eastbound on Lakeshore. Get permission. We have permission to chase.
Ready to 1014?
1014. Light it up. Brian, you close?
We just hit a car.
Trying to get back. Where were the last team?
Give us the air. We got a crash. Males ran southbound. 171 southbound.
(1029) East 172, continuing eastbound. One of them's got red underwear on. He's headed north. Still headed north. He's around here somewhere. Over to 176 maybe. And yeah, 176 in Nottingham. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I got 176 in Nottingham. Get on the ground! 1024 East 176.
One in cuffs.
Try. I need cuffs.
I got it.
Palms together. Palms together. Like you're praying.
This is going to be the one with the red underwear. There was another
All right,
one
roll
right
him out
in
of
front
sight.
of him.
On your side,
I
bud.
don't know where he went.
On your side. Any weapons on you? No. Any weapons on you?
Roll over. Turn over.
Hey, Little, sit with that car. Go to the Durango and sit with it.
Let's roll
Go to
over.
the Durango and sit with
over.
it.
Sit up.
You got 3 more.
Stand up.
This way, this way. Which way they go?
They're around here somewhere. There was one right in front of him. All black. But he's the one I saw with the red underwear.
How old are you?
Oh, there's the male at 1024.
Victor 89. Next block over, it's locked. Both. My doors are locked. So, the one in the red pants that, or the red underwear that we got at 1024 had another guy running with him. I did not see him pop out on 176th. They just robbed somebody at gunpoint. 1074 East 176th. He's in that area. Come on out! Come on out! Come on out! I got another one, just one north of 1024 East 176. Come on out! Right back here, guys! Don't you fucking move. Put your hands behind your back. Right here. Right here. Yep.
Go around the back. It's underneath the back.
No, I got him out here. I need cuffs. Man, we've been looking for you guys for a while.
Where you at, Brian?
Right here. Put your hands together and palms together like you're praying.
Yeah, go to your car. Hey,
All right, but
do you see anything under here?
roll your leg out.
Okay.
Roll over to your butt. I'm gonna sit you up, okay? Is there anything under there?
No.
No pistols, nothing?
I don't got anything.
All right. I'm going to advise you, your Miranda rights, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. Do you understand those rights?
Yes.
What's your name, man? What's your name? All right, well, we're going to add another charge to everything that's going on, my man. Okay. Where is she at?
on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! I got a chopper in the air, you ain't going nowhere. Get on the ground.
Hands behind your back. Behind your back.
Drop it. Drop that.
Male in custody.
Still in custody, radio. 1441.
Still got one.
Got any weapons on you?
Radio, can we get an article, dog, from where the Durango crashed?
Copy.
Get up.
Bed 95.
Get up.
I dropped the mag. I have to get my mag. I dropped my mag over here. Back there, I gotta go back and get it.
The suspects now face multiple charges, including armed robbery, assault with a deadly weapon, and fleeing from law enforcement. 3 are in custody, while 1 remains at large. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.